Sunday, July, what is it today? 14th. Well, you guys look very light to you guys? Well, you'd be wrong. It's actually really dark out. It's storming, and 210 and 212 are outside, but I'm just going to leave those out because there's a lot of mice residue on it, so I want to get that crap off. So, and before you guys say something, those tractors have been outside a long time in the first place, so it's not going to hurt them now. So I just got out of the truck and it's going to start raining good now. It's getting dark fast too. We just got done mowing too, and we were going to mow here, but it's a good thing we didn't because we would have got poured on. But I got to go get gloves from the building because I want to POR the Ranger. You guys don't know what POR is. It's paint over rust, POR 15. It's like 63 bucks a can or whatever. But it's worth it. A little bit goes a long way. So, but yeah, the truck don't have its blower motor in it, so that's why I'm taking this. Oops. That was my fault. Nice dark. I love it. It's 80 degrees. It's going to be humid after it stops. There goes the rain. I just turn the lights on after I freaking leave. Yeah. Hopefully I can get the gloves before it starts pouring, but that's not going to happen. I already guarantee it. Because it's already starting to rain right now. I wanted to make a little video. This weather lately has been really, really crazy. But, yep. Oh, yeah. Yep, those tractors are going to get a bath. So, not going to hurt them one bit. Because all the air filters are covered up. Or all the carburetors are covered up. No water's going to get in there, so. Yep. And we were going to mow here. Good thing my dad said that we're not going to. Dang, it just, wind's blowing. It's crazy right now. I'll turn the wipers on low since we're not moving. Let me get, oh, the light's kicked on already. But my switch is going out, I think. Yep. It's my fault for not going in the building right after. But I had to go in the house and get a key. Yep, we got a couple leaks in here. The Mark 8 right now, my 96 Diamond, is getting some surgery. Got the compressor out, because you guys know in the startup video, compressor wasn't kicking on. Well, we hooked power to a battery and power probed it. It was so slow. It was making that battery go down to 6 volts. It was using so much amperage, it blew the breaker in the power probe. So we know this thing's already junk, pulling too much amps. So I'm looking for gloves. And those would be somewhere in here. I don't know where. The rubber gloves. Because that POR stuff is, oh my God, it's permanent. You can't get it off your skin once it hits it. So, let's I'll pause the video so I don't bore the crap out of you guys. So, thought I seen the dumb thing somewhere. Listen to that. I think the lights just flickered. God dang it. I'm just filming the thunder here. while my town car is idling, I'm wasting a little bit of gas, and I'm just looking for gloves and keep on filming, because there's some wicked freaking thunder, and I'm looking in places I already did, but I'm determined to find them. I am very determined to find them without calling my dad. But I know I'm going to already have to call him to look for them. Oh, there's gloves in there. Not the ones I need. Ah, I found them. I'll bring 4. I'll bring 6. Okay. Didn't have to call my dad. So, let's get the heck back into the town car. Turning off the lights. Oh, Jesus. To get over it. God damn. Ah. Shit's coming down hard. Thunder is booming pretty good, so. Okay, well, I'll show you guys the floody and turn this down so you can hear my freaking self, yeah, complain about everything. Yeah, this is wicked. I might not be able to go to the shop right now. I might just stay here and hang out, who knows? Well, the geese are probably enjoying this crap because they're hot all the time, so they're not going to have to worry about being hot for a while. It's 76 degrees. It was 80 when I started this thing up. Alright, I want to just go to the shop and get there. So, I'll see you guys.